What is the document root folder inside server? The document root folder in a web server is the main directory where the server looks for files to serve over the web. When a user requests a web page or a resource, such as an image or a script, the web server starts looking for that file in the document root. The location of the document root can vary depending on the web server software and the server's configuration. In many cases, 1. Apache HTTP server * the document root is often specified in the Apache configuration file, httpd.conf, or in individual virtual host configurations. The default document root on many systems is a directory named HidoCs or public_HTML. Example, document root /var/www/html2. inks * the document root is typically set in the server block of the inks configuration file. The default location is often /usr/share/inks/html or /var/www/html. Example, server listen80, server_name example.com. root /var/www/html. 3. Microsoft Internet Information Services, IIS. The document root is often set in the site configuration. The default location is usually something like c:/inethub/www.root. These are just examples, and the actual paths can vary based on the server setup and operating system. The document root is crucial because it defines the starting point from which the web server serves files. When a user accesses a URL, the server looks in the document root to find the corresponding file and sends it to the user's browser.